In the movie Ratatouille, Chef Gusteau always says, "Anyone can cook." This simple statement carries a profound truth. Yet, in reality, the path to embodying this philosophy is far from smooth. One morning in 2003, in a small town in Burgundy, France, a legendary chef was found dead at home, only 52 years old. He had once been the head of a Michelin 3-star restaurant, a true national treasure of France, a pioneer in turning the chef profession into a celebrated star-studded career. He published multiple cookbooks, sharing his philosophy of extreme simplicity in cuisine with the public. His story was made into a documentary and served as the inspiration for Chef Gusteau in the animated film Ratatouille. He also became the first chef to bring French cuisine into the capital market. After his passing, his wife continued to preserve and promote his vision, making their restaurant a symbol of French gastronomy. Loiseau's achievements spanned cooking, publishing, film, and business, and he single-handedly reshaped the landscape of France's fine dining. But behind those shining honors, what was hidden? Today we uncover the story of Bernard Loiseau, a world of chefs filled with passion, glory, and tragedy. Bernard Loiseau was born in 1951 in Chamalières, France, learning to cook from his mother. From a young age, he showed remarkable resilience and an unwavering passion for the culinary arts. At the age of 16, he began working as an apprentice in a restaurant. After earning his professional certification in 1971, he moved to Paris, seeking opportunities. Serving as an assistant at Claude Verger's La Barrière de Clichy, he said, "At 17, I began an apprenticeship at a 3-star restaurant. After those 15 days, I secretly vowed that I would also get 3 stars, no matter how much hardship or cost it took. For 25 years, I slept in the attic for 25 years. Just a small bed, a wardrobe, and a tiny washroom. And every morning I would put on my socks and tell myself, I'm the best, I'm the best." There were people everywhere slandering me and not believing I would succeed, but those stupid donkeys have never even left the village. Some even mocked my cooking style, calling me the king of boiling. But look now, I've forged my own school. This approach is famous around the world. I have one goal, 3 stars. That's it. Whoever blocks my progress, I'll cut left and right. Nothing can stop me. Michelin 3 stars. I have them now. In 1975, he was appointed to manage La Côte d'Or in Burgundy, and 7 years later purchased it, renaming it after himself. In 1989, he married Dominique, and the couple had 3 children. By 1991, his restaurant had earned 3 Michelin stars, becoming one of France's top dining establishments. In the late 1990s, he expanded into ready-made meal products and even listed his restaurant on the stock market, becoming the first French chef to bring a restaurant into the capital market. Loiseau was known for his meticulousness, dedication, and relentless pursuit of perfection. Every dish was crafted to the highest standard, from ingredient selection to cooking time, from plating to taste. Nothing was left to chance. He believed that cooking was not only a skill but also an art and a responsibility, a respect for ingredients, diners, and culture. His passion allowed every guest to feel his devotion, yet it also made him extremely demanding of himself. Loiseau's life, like Gusteau's, was full of dreams and passion. The restaurant he led was the pinnacle of Burgundy. Some said he was an artist in the kitchen, with each exquisite dish an extension of his soul. One of his signature dishes was the now iconic frog legs, cuisse de grenouille. He transformed what was once a humble countryside staple into a Michelin 3-star classic. Lightly dusted in flour, fried to a perfect golden crisp, and paired with a delicate blend of garlic and parsley. Nothing excessive, nothing showy, just pure refinement. This was Loiseau's philosophy. Strip away all the unnecessary and let the ingredients speak for themselves. However, behind the halo of honors lurked a weight almost impossible to bear. In early 2003, the Go and Mio guide lowered his rating from 19 to 17. while a critical article in Le Figaro struck at his long-cultivated confidence like a blade. Although the restaurant maintained its 3 stars, public opinion and an uncertain future placed enormous psychological pressure on Loiseau, leaving him to endure anxieties that the outside world could not comprehend. This chef, hailed as a giant of French cuisine, ultimately chose to end his life under the weight of pressure and isolation. His death shocked the world and prompted reflection. Can honors and ratings truly measure a person's worth? Michelin stars undoubtedly shine, but can their brilliance also become a shackle? Honors are a double-edged sword, and a chef's value cannot be measured solely by stars. Similar tragedies have occurred with other top chefs, such as Swiss chef Bernard Loiseau, who also took his life under pressure. Beneath the halo of greatness lie countless unseen tears and unheard cries. And it is for this very reason that we must reflect. On the path toward perfection and excellence, could it be that mental health, emotional support, and society's understanding are the most indispensable seasonings of all? Through his life, Loiseau showed us that the true essence of cuisine is not about showing off skills or chasing stars, but about combining passion, creativity, and responsibility. As the movie Ratatouille conveys, no matter how modest one's talent, anyone can create food that moves the heart if they put their mind and soul into it. Loiseau lived this pursuit to the extreme and reminds us that striving for excellence should never come at the cost of inner health and balance. Next time you stand before a Michelin-starred restaurant, think of Loiseau, the legendary chef who poured passion, talent, and responsibility into every dish, yet ultimately fell under the pressure of honors. Perhaps the culinary spirit truly worth remembering is the pursuit of dreams and freedom. Regardless of background, origin, or outside judgment, anyone who cooks with heart can express themselves through their dishes. It is this courage and creativity that remain the most unforgettable taste of life. Scanmaster respects the devotion to perfection. By staying pure and striving for excellence, everyone can create something truly unique in their own field.
Follow me.